Hi beauties, I hope that you are well. In today's video, we are going to be trying a no monomer method for acrylic nails. I'm going to be using the SAVILAND acrylic powder that I bought from Amazon, and I'm going to be using Babygirlnails method of using foil glue. So foil glue and acrylic powder. So if you want to see, please keep on watching. So I'm going to be using my XXL tapered coffin nails. I would have shown these in one of my previous videos. I bought these from AliExpress. Go and look for the AliExpress best nail vendor video so you can get the exact vendor that I got these from. I'm going to be doing the Après dupe method, which is simply applying base gel to the nail that's going to be attached to your nail. And I'm going to also be using the Beauties clear poly gel to attach these to my nails, cure this under the UV lamp. When you are applying your nail, make sure you press down to make sure that any air bubbles is out before you put it under the UV lamp. Once you have cured, make sure you get your 100-180 file around the edges as well as the cuticle area, and then get your buffer and just buff that surface to remove that shiny surface from the nail. So to apply your acrylic powder to the nail, you're going to need some sort of dish to catch the acrylic powder whilst you are pouring onto it. I'm not going to be dipping. I feel like pouring onto the nail is the best method to do this. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply this foil glue all over my nail. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in, and to my returning subscribers, I really appreciate all of the support that you give. Please make sure that you go to Babygirlnails channel and just go ahead and flood her comment section on her recent video showing the SAVILAND acrylic powder, because she is very talented and I appreciate all of the effort she does to come up with creative ways to do nails. So now I am applying the acrylic powder onto the nail, tapping off any excess, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my finger under the UV lamp to cure. Now, because I have a small LED UV lamp, I cure my nails twice before I take the duster and remove that excess powder. If you have a strong UV lamp, you know, one of the bigger ones, you should be fine with just one set of curing, but I did cure my nail twice before I took it out. So now I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same process of applying the foil glue onto the nail and then also covering it with acrylic powder. And I just want to point out why this is such an amazing method, because usually with the dipping powder, when you use your brush, that sticky layer causes the brush to gunk up. During this entire process of applying this foil glue onto, because you know foil glue is kind of has a liquid consistency, it's not as thick as the gel, like my brush doesn't get clumped up, none of the acrylic powder is getting stuck to the glue. So I am like, this is just mind-blowing, because I have issues with the smell of monomer. If you are like me and you get headaches, or you don't know how to form acrylic powder properly, you don't know what the liquid to powder ratio is, you don't have the right brush, you don't have the right tools, acrylic is too hard. Listen, Babygirlnails has just come up with the most mind-blowing method on the planet, and it works. I'm telling you now, it works. Anyway, I'm rambling just a little bit. I'm just gonna let you watch the video just a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I have successfully done 3 layers of my foil glue and acrylic powder. You can do as many layers as you like. It all depends on how thick you like your nails. And now that I'm done and dusted, I am going to go ahead and apply top coat all over this nail and then cure this. Now I do top coat this twice. I'm just doing it once now, but I just want you to know later on down in the video, I do it twice. So here is how this nail is looking, nice and clean. It is gorgeous. Now let's move on to my other fingers by applying the tips. Once I am done, I go ahead and file them and then I buff them as well. And now we're going to go ahead and move on to my design for my index finger. I'm going to be using 2 acrylic powders. I'm going to see if I can kind of create an ombre nail by using these 2 colors. And I have these little dishes that I got from the dollar store in Europe where I live. It's called the Euro store. So these are much easier than the other bowl that I was using because I'm able to pour the acrylic back into the container more easily. So again, let's go ahead and apply our foil glue, pour the acrylic powder over, repeat this a few times, and then we're going to top coat. So I'm going to let you watch the video and then I'm going to come back with the final design. Nails have been top coated, so now I'm just going to go ahead and try to put a little design on these fingers. I think the ombre is okay, but it's not a complete ombre, so that particular acrylic powder is not my favorite. The color is beautiful, but I think it's probably not best for an ombre. So anyway, I'm thinking I'm going to use some mylar flakes as well as some gold flakes. So I'm going to apply some top coat onto this nail and then go ahead and apply the flakes onto the nail. For my middle finger and pinky finger, I'm going to take my Beals brush and I dip this in alcohol, and I'm going to also dip this into my Beetles white gel polish and just do a design on the nail. I'm thinking an amethyst, like a rose quartz, but make it purple / marble kind of effect. I don't know. When I'm doing nails, I just kind of wing it. So this is what I thought of. And then I'm just going to apply some rhinestones onto my thumb and ring finger. Also, just so you know, I did not file my nails. You do not have to file your nails. That's the beauty of this method. But if you wanted to file your nails just in case, you can do that as well. And here we go. Here are the nails. I am so happy that I found a method that does not have monomer in it because I have instant headaches. I really hope that you guys give this a try. Don't forget to go on Babygirlnails YouTube channel and flood her with some comments, give her some love. And my final verdict is I love these 2 from SAVILAND. This one, the color is beautiful. For an ombre, it's not my favorite. And I hope that you give this no monomer method a try. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.